Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to ML Fashion Ideas. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet motif. We will start with a central circle. First we will make this type of circle with magic ring. We will make half double crochet 1 2 3 4 4 rows with increasing pattern. You can see the increasing pattern video on my channel. After that, from here use this yarn, make chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip chain 1. In the next make double crochet, chain 2, 1 2, skip 1. In the next double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 chain. In the next double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 chain. In the next double crochet, like this. Complete the circle until here. Now we have completed the circle and join the yarn with slip stitch. Now make chain 3, 1 2 3, make 2 double crochet, 1 2, chain 1. In the next make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, again chain 1. In the next 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, chain 1. In the next 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Complete the row until the circle completed on the same pattern. Now we have completed this. Next chain 1, half double crochet, then double crochet, then chain 2, 1 2, again in the same hook double crochet, next half double crochet, next single crochet, like this. Now here in the next start with single crochet, next half double crochet, next double crochet, then chain 2, 1 2, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, next single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, chain 2, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, like this. On the same pattern complete the full circle around. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. In the same way you will complete the whole circle. After completing the circle, this motif will be ready. If you are new, kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.